Some people for Port Harcourt, Rivers State, don't chook mouth on the appointment of former governor of the state, Nyesom Wike, as the minister-designate of the Federal Capital Territory. Some of the people can congratulate him for the appointment, say Nyesom Wike go do well as FCT minister, and say Nyesom Wike deserve him sake of say he work to make sure say Presido come from the south, even when he not come from the same party with him. Still on the appointment matter, some other people can talk say Nyesom Wike not deserve the appointment at all, and say them forgive the appointment to another person who also come from Rivers State.
Tinubu is not a political neophyte. He is an experienced politician. And don't forget that he has fought from the trenches at a point. That give Wike a stone, he will turn that stone to marble. And I want to ask Nigerians to give him and the president the chance to get what the president intends to get.
The impact of Wike is very visible. Now, if you remember, since after El-Rufai became minister of FCT, people have been crying about the state of the FCT. If you go there at night, most of the street lights are not working. Some of the traffic lights are not also working. And if you remember very recently, there was flooding as a result of people building on, places that were designated for drainages and all of those things. And if you have followed Wike closely, you will know that he's one person that does not take nonsense. He does not take no for an answer. And he's not one that will delegate responsibility. He will be there, right there on the field.
As we speak today, the concentration of governance, the infrastructural development that the former governor embarked upon was just within two local governments, Ikure and Port Harcourt City. This is the same person that we are seeing as the FCT minister. That means he's going to continue from where he stopped. Today, you are the FCT minister, and you want Rivers Pro to celebrate. We cannot celebrate it because we are not happy. We even was not expecting that he will be appointed because we felt that to whom much is given, much is expected. But to the former governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, we are disappointed that we have a former governor in the FCT.
They come also chook mouth on the level of project with the shell for Rivers State for the 100 days in office of the Rivers State Governor Simi Alayi Fubara.
And it will be too quick, too early to conclude whether the successor will actually fit into the big shoes. Now, government is a continuum, okay? There were some projects that got to 70-80% completion under the former governor, which the governor is vehemently ensuring that those projects are completed and will make, his 100 days.
It's not quite. It's just that the styles are not the same. Wike is boisterous. If Wike is somewhere, his presence is unmistakable. The moment he's there, everywhere we feel his presence, even the air around him. But Sim is the other side of him. Gentle, quiet, but he's also very hardworking.
Make una not forget say as we see him, now so we dey talk him. We know they take blame. From Port Harcourt, Rivers State, A. Carter Ojesoli, TMC TV News.